After acts in Oman, China, Turkey and Portugal, the Extreme Sailing Series came to Great Britain, to Wales. Cardiff Bay hosts for the British acts on the tour until 2030. Thousands came to watch. "32 races over 4 days. In a festival atmosphere. Day and night. Joining the 9 world-class teams, Olympic heroes from London 2012, enjoying the ride.
You know what you're doing.
It is so fast. It's so fast, I can't believe it.
And stars from other sports.
I've been on one of those kind of, catamarans in the Caribbean when you have a few rums and you lie on the deck.
Oh, they're going to be a capsizes on the bottom mark. Louis Bevan and Rothschild just held it. The racing, well, going into the finale, 5 teams could still walk away with the title. Oman Air did. The action now heads south to the French Riviera, Nice, October.